Let's use our ears. Touch the ear to play. Here we go.
Wow!
What do you hear? Correct, that was a cat.
Yeah!
What do you hear? Great job, it was a train.
Yeah!
What do you hear? Fantastic, that was clapping. What do you hear? Correct, they were jingle bells.
Yeah!
What do you hear? Great job, that was a whistle.
Yeah!
What do you hear? Well done, that was the sound of an elephant. What do you hear? Great job, that was the sound of rain.
Yeah!
What do you hear? Well done, that was the sound of a toilet flushing. What do you hear? Great job, that was the sound of a phone.
Yoo-hoo!
Great job using your ears today. Come back and play again soon. Bye-bye.
Yoo-hoo! Yeah! Yahoo!
What do you hear? In this game, you'll hear different sounds and you have to tell me which animal made it by clicking the correct picture. Correct, that was the sound of the kitten.
Wow!
Well done, you heard the duck.
Yoo-hoo!
Well done, that was the sound of the pig. Great job, that was the dog barking.
Yeah!
Correct, that was the sound of a horse.
Yeah!
Great work, that was the chicken.
Yoo-hoo!
Correct, that was the sound of a turkey.
Yeah!
You're right, that was the beautiful sound of the bird.
Yoo-hoo!
Correct! That was the sound of the owl. You're fantastic at identifying animal calls. Come back again and play soon. Bye-bye.
Yoo-hoo!
You did excellent listening and identifying the animal sounds.
Yeah! Yeah! Yahoo!
Hi, I hope you have your ears turned on today because we're going to play a listening game. Each page has lots of different things in the picture, so see if you can tap on the one that's making the sound you hear. Have fun! That's right, it's the blender that sounds like that. Yes, that's the toaster. Your toast is ready. Boy, your ears are really smart. You found the right answer. That's the sound of someone chopping up some veggies. Great job, you found the microwave. That's correct. That's the sound of a toilet flushing. That's using your ears. You found toothbrushing.
Ow!
Yes, that's right. That's the water running in the sink. That's a hairdryer. Good listening. Splashing in the bathtub. Way to go. That's right. She's jumping on the couch. Oh, she's being naughty. Yes, Mom's talking on the phone. Yes, that's the musical instrument. Great listening. You found it. It's the video game. Oh my gosh, Daddy must be really tired if he can sleep through all that noise. Your ears are so smart today. You heard him snoring. Good job.
Yeah!
Hello. Hi there.
Good listening. That's the man.
Ow!
That's the little girl. You're so smart. That was the little boy.
Oh, hi. Good morning.
You're doing great. You've got your ears turned on. That was the lady. There are some sounds that tell us when there's something dangerous around, something that could hurt us. You need to learn these sounds. It's very important. So tap on each picture and listen to them. And on the next page, you can play the game finding them. If a car or a truck is coming toward you and you're in their way, they'll blow their horn. Many big trucks and cars have trouble seeing behind them when they're backing up. So they have a siren that sounds like this to warn you to get out of the way. This is called a smoke detector. You'll hear it go off if there's a fire in your house or if Mommy burns dinner. If someone needs help, You might hear these sirens from these cars and trucks who are coming to help.
Yoo-hoo!
Now let's see if you can find them. Which one is this? That's right, it's the truck. He's trying to tell you to get out of his way. Good job. Those are the sirens from fire trucks or ambulances that take you to the hospital, or the police who might be coming to help. If you're in their way, you better move. Good listening. That's the smoke detector. That goes off when there's a fire. Awesome. That's the sound of a truck or a car backing up, and they can't see you, so you better move or you'll be toot toot peanut butter.
Yeah!
And this is the sound that means you did a great job. Good listening.